Ever wondered if your money could work harder for you, even while you sleep? We're diving into the world of investment apps, and we're focusing on one that's been gaining a lot of traction, StashAway. Now, the big question is, can you actually earn money from StashAway? Let's break it down. StashAway is an investment platform that aims to make investing simple and accessible to everyone. They use a robo-advisor approach, which means they use algorithms to build and manage diversified investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. How does StashAway work? Risk assessment. You start by taking a short quiz to assess your risk tolerance. Portfolio allocation. Based on your risk profile, StashAway allocates your money across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Automated investing. Your investments are automatically rebalanced to maintain your desired risk level. Can you earn money with StashAway? The short answer is yes, you can. However, it's important to understand that investing involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Here's how you can potentially earn money with StashAway. Capital appreciation. As your investments grow over time, the value of your portfolio can increase. Dividend income. Some of the investments in your portfolio may pay dividends, which can generate additional income. Compound interest. The power of compound interest can significantly boost your returns over the long term. Key factors to consider. Time horizon. The longer you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Risk tolerance. Your risk tolerance will determine the types of investments in your portfolio. Fees. StashAway charges a management fee, so it's important to factor this into your returns. Is StashAway right for you? StashAway can be a great option for beginners who want to start investing without the hassle of managing individual stocks and bonds. However, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Consistent investing over the long term is key to achieving your financial goals. Additional tips. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Stay disciplined, stick to your investment plan, and avoid making impulsive decisions. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Seek professional advice. If you have complex financial needs, consider consulting with a financial advisor. StashAway can be a valuable tool for building wealth over time. By understanding how it works and managing your expectations, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.